No fan, no AC. Here's how to stay cool in extreme heat, naturally. So here are 10 genius ways to stay cool without an AC or a fan. Let's get started. We're gonna start with your house. You want to optimize it so that you don't feel the heat as much inside. So between 10 a.m. and about 4 or 5 p.m., that's when the sun is at its hottest. So what you want to do is close your curtains, close your blinds, or if you don't have either of those things, you can actually hang a dark colored sheet over your window. Dark colors absorb the heat, so that helps. If you really want to get fancy, you can use an emergency blanket or even aluminum foil on your windows. That's going to reflect the heat from the sun and keep your house a little bit cooler. Alright, let's move on to No. 2. The clothing and accessories that you wear can also make a big difference. During the summer months, try to stick to light, breathable fabrics like cotton and linen. These types of materials allow your skin to breathe and stay cool. You can also wear a damp bandana or a hat to help cool down. Just dampen it in some cold water, put it around your neck or on your head, and that should help. And one more thing about clothing, try to avoid black or dark colors because they tend to absorb more heat than lighter colors. Alright, moving on to hack No. 3. This is a good one. It's a DIY swamp cooler. All you need is a bowl of ice and a fan. It doesn't matter what type of fan. It could be an actual standing fan, a handheld fan. You could even use your hand. Just get that nice and cold air flowing over the ice and then breathe it in. It's gonna help cool you down immediately. Moving on to No. 4. There are certain foods and drinks that can help you stay cool. On the top here we have iced herbal tea, nice and refreshing. We also have cucumber water. These are great for cooling you down. Also foods like watermelon. They're like 90% water and they're really refreshing in the summertime. Alright, tip No. 5. Cold showers and wet towels. You can immediately cool down by soaking your feet or even just your hands in a bowl of cold water. You can also take a cool, not freezing, of course, but a cool shower to help lower your body temperature. Tip No. 6. Sleeping cooler. If you're having trouble sleeping in the heat, try putting frozen water bottles in your bed. That's gonna help cool you down as you're laying there. Also, another thing you can do is put a breathable sheet on your bed. And finally, you can sleep low. Basically, sleep on the floor. It's going to be cooler there than it is up in your bed because all the heat rises. For tip No. 7, avoid hot meals. It's going to make your body temperature rise. So stick to salads, fruit, cold dishes, things like that. Also, spicy foods can make you sweat, which does help cool the body down, but may not feel great in extreme heat. But in extreme heat, it might not feel very good to be sweating profusely. Tip No. 8. Cool down your pulse points. Apply a wet cloth or an ice pack to your wrists, your neck, your elbows, your knees, and your ankles. These are pulse points, so they're going to help cool you down pretty quickly. Alright, tip No. 9. Unplug your electronics. Believe it or not, devices like your TV, phone chargers, even your lights generate heat even when you think they're turned off. So get rid of that heat and unplug those electronics, and that's it. Those are 10 genius ways to stay cool without an AC or a fan. You don't need AC to survive a heat wave, just a few smart tricks. Stay cool out there. So which hack are you going to try first? Comment below and don't forget to like and share. It could help someone beat the heat. And one more thing, if you want to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button. My name is Nature Explorer. I love you. Bye bye.